brown skin girl. Your skin just like pearls. You're back against the world. I never trade you for anybody else. And brown skin girl, your skin just like pearls. The best thing in the world. I never trade you for anybody else. Hey.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are good. So for today's video, I've come again and again with another eyeshadow tutorial. We're going to do a blue eyeshadow look today. I just want to play with color nowadays because I can do a natural look every day literally, but since we're free and have nothing better to do, we're just going to play with color because I'm not going anywhere either. And today I have chosen blue. I just want to do a nice blue eyeshadow look and hopefully it turns out good. But yeah, we're going to see. So if you want to see how this blue eyeshadow look is going to turn out, then just make sure you keep on watching. Right, so first thing first, you need to prepare your eyelids. And just clean this. It's a bit messy. Right, take the Revolution Cut Crease canvas in the shade Create. I'm just gonna pop this on my eyelids. You only need a tiny bit. And then I'm going to get a fluffy brush and just blend that. Okay, now that we have the base down, we are now going to apply the transition shade. And again, I'm going with my Revolution X Patricia Bright palette because if you want colors, this is the best palette to go to. So as a transition, I'm going to take what do I want to take? I'm gonna take Queen. You knew I was gonna go with Queen. What was I even thinking about? Right, I'm gonna use that as my transition color. Okay, now that we have that transition color down, what I'm going to do is take a bit more of a dense brush like this, but obviously it has some purple on it, so I'm just going to clean it off to the best of my ability. Now I'm going to take Nobu, which is this dark brown there, and I'm gonna put this on the outer and inner part of my eye. Okay, once you've done that, you just want to blend it across, but don't go too high. So just like that. Okay, now that that blue is on, what I'm going to do is go back with my cut crease canvas, take a little bit on the back of my hand, and then I'm going to create a halo in the center of my eye. Okay, so it's gonna be a cut crease, but just in the center. Okay, once you've created that halo, what you need is a flat brush like this. Again, I need to clean it off. And now I'm going to go with Ocean Deep, which is this bright blue right there, and I'm just going to pack this on top of that cut crease. This is a beautiful blue. Oh my god, damn. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is go back with the blending brush and then go back with Nobu, which is the darker blue, and then we're gonna put this on the outer parts, just blend the two colors in nicely. Okay, I am satisfied with that. I'm going to put glue on my eyelashes and just let them dry as we move on. Okay, as that's drying, I'm going to apply mascara. So I'm just going to take my Primark mascara and just coat my eyelashes with it. Okay, for some reason I feel like adding a wing liner. Shall we? Why not, since we're here? Right, so I'm gonna take my Primark eyeliner. I'm gonna do a nice wing. Okay, happy with that. Just a nice short with thick liner for the drama, because why not? Right, and then I'm gonna take these eyelashes. They're from AliExpress. I'm just gonna pop these on. Okay, that's my eyelashes done. What I'm going to do now is prime my face. I'm gonna take the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop primer, and I'm just going to put this around my nose because that's where I get pretty oily. Okay, today we're going to test it out with the Fenty Beauty foundation. I use the shade 430. I just want to see how this primer works with a hydrating foundation, because I used it with the NYX foundation last time and that foundation is pretty matte. I'm just trying to figure out how good it really is. Okay, now that we have the foundation on, I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty concealer in the shade 390 and then just pop this on all the areas that I usually highlight. Okay, and then I'm going to take my damp beauty sponge and just blend that. Okay, and just to set that, I'm going to take my black opal powder in the shade medium, which is mixed with the Fenty Beauty powder in honey. I'm just gonna set everywhere. Okay, and now I'm going to take my all over the face powder, which is the black opal powder in the shade dark. I'm just going to take this and apply it all over my face. Okay, and now I'm going to bronze, taking my Makeup Revolution Glow Bronzer in the shade dark. Okay, and now I'm taking my Juvia's Place the Sahara Blush Volume 1 palette, and then I'm going to take these two colors, Neo and Toby. I'm gonna mix them. Okay, and now I'm going to set my face using my Avon setting spray. Take your damp sponge and press that setting spray right in. And now what I'm going to do is I'm gonna use a different highlight. I've been using the same highlighter for ages now. Right, I'm gonna take this Colourpop highlighter I haven't used in a long time, and I'm just gonna use that to highlight my face. Okay, and then taking a fan brush, I'm gonna highlight my cheeks. All right, and then going back with my blush brush, I'm just going to blend that in. Okay, now I want to deal with my lower lash, so let me find my tiny brush. Where is it? Got it. So I'm going to take this tiny eyeshadow brush, and then I'm going to use Ocean Deep, which is the brighter blue, and I'm just going to put this on my lower lash line. Okay, I'm also going to put this blue in my inner corner. Okay, I think I'm happy with that. Ooh, my eyes look good. So good. Right, I'm gonna do my lower lash. Just apply mascara on them. Okay, and for my lips, I'm going to take my dark brown lip pencil to just line my lips. Okay, I'm going to take, what do I want to take? Right, what is it? I'm gonna take this Revolution lipstick in the shade Latte. And then gonna take this Kiko lip gloss in the shade 18 and pop that on top. Okay, I think we're done. Right guys, this blue, ooh, it's actually so bright. It's like, it's just there and I love it. Ooh, it looks so good, doesn't it? It looks so good. And my hair, oh guys, I love this hair so much. It's just nice and big, just how I like it. Like, if you know me, I'm obsessed with long hair. Not long hair, big hair. Woo! And I made this wig myself as well, guys. So make sure you check out my hair page. And if you want to get a wig done, then let me know. Just drop me a DM and we'll sort something out. But yeah, I'm really in love with this look. Like, the hair and the makeup coming together, it just so nice, so good. I hope you guys really liked this video. If you did, then leave it a massive thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed already, then make sure you hit the subscription button and the notification bell as well, so you can get notified when I upload next. But yeah, this is it. This is like the final look. I'm just gonna show you guys one more time. But yeah, I really like this look, and I hope you guys did as well. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.